How to buy and sell on MetaTrader 5. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Buying and selling on MetaTrader 5 involves placing orders to trade financial instruments like currencies, stocks, or commodities. In order to buy and sell on MetaTrader 5, the first thing to do is to open the MetaTrader 5 application from your app drawer. Once you open up the MetaTrader 5 application, tap on the Quote tab. You will then be able to see the Market Watch list. This shows a list of tradable instruments. Pick an instrument you want to buy or sell. Select any one instrument and then tap on the trade option. This will open up the window where you can set the amount you want to trade and add additional optional features like stop loss and take profit. Go ahead and choose buy on the bottom right in order to go long, or if you want to go short, for simply tap on the sell, and that way you will be able to buy and sell on MetaTrader 5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.